touch it. I like it.
Aww.
Like it.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to do a jewelry unboxing and it is from
Jeulia
Jewelry. And we have our Ate Paris here, my special guest for today. They reached out to me and kindly invited me to cooperate with them again for the upcoming Mother's Day. They asked me to choose 3, not just one product from their website, which I'm very grateful about. So before we dive into the video, I would love to say a huge thank you to Jeulia for sending me these gifts. So without further ado, let's open the box. And this is going to be a proper unboxing because we haven't opened the boxes yet. This is the box. It's very sturdy.
I really like the writing.
Do you?
Yeah.
Do you love the font?
Yeah.
Yeah. So inside the box, is this one. So they've got this little cutie paper bag. So this is what's really good about Jeulia, guys, because it's perfect for gifting, for presents, because it comes in a box. You've got paper bag. If you want to, here you go, you can have that. And first thing that you will see after opening the box is this booklet that says read before removing jewelry tag. Ayan. Just in case it doesn't fit you and you need to return. And this booklet here. Ayan.
Beautiful.
And what did you say before lang?
The moment of truth.
So there's 2 boxes in here. I don't know which is which, so I'll let Ate Paris to pick which one to open first.
Any, many, money, more. Catch it, the price tag, if it's squeezed like any, many, money, more.
This one? Okay. Alright. Let us see. I have to close your eyes. Okay. Ready, steady?
Go.
Woo. Go. Oh my. Oh my. Look. I really hope that this will fit me. So before I say anything else, I would love to show you what it looks like. I hope the camera will give it justice. This is gorgeous. Look at this. It's a thick band. And this is lookalike of the VCA ring that I really love, but I can't afford. So beautiful. Look, it looks like Clover.
Yeah, it's a clover.
Yeah, and it's got like Julia stone. This is the tag that I was talking about. So you have to try it on first before removing it, just in case it doesn't fit, then you can return it. So this is in 5.5. Normally I'm size 6, but the last ring that I got from Jeulia, I got it in size 6, but it was a bit loose, so I thought I will size down a little bit, 0.5. So this is now 5.5. I'm now scared that it's going to be too small, but we'll see. As you can see, guys, I'm into jewelry. Look, this is my daily jewelry. So I'll take this off and fingers crossed. What do you think? Put this on my finger now.
Well, I'm gonna marry you.
Oh!
Try the second one.
Oh my god! Oh my god.
What?
It's too small. Oh my god. Because I think because the band is thick, that's why I should have gotten size 6. I should have known that. Oh, wow. I think it will fit. Alright, let's pray.
Did it after?
Yeah, it will fit. It's just this bit here. I hope I can still this out. Anyways, this is what it looks like on my finger.
I like it. I like it.
Do you like it? Hang on, let me put it closer.
That is amazing.
There. It's so beautiful, guys. Oh my god.
Hi.
There.
Let me put in the back.
So beautiful. Oh my god, I'm so in love with this ring. We're going to unbox the second one. So it's in the same jewelry box and it's very similar style to the first one, but this time it's all stone. Look how sparkly it is. Look how sparkly. This is also in size 5.5. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Oh, it's gorgeous. It's like there's like big stones in the middle and both sides got little stones. Grabe oh. Nagmumura. Nagmumura sa kinang. Here's the two rings. Gorgeous rings. So beautiful. And then now, after showing you those rings, we're going to unbox this last box, which I'm going to get Ate Paris to unbox it.
Yay.
Hindi niya alam, guys, na ito ay para sa kanya. I know it's Mother's Day, but for me, it's not just for all the mothers. It's also for, especially Paris. She is my firstborn. She made me a mother. So I can't be a mom if I didn't have Ate Paris. So thank you for making me your mom.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
And
So this one is para sa kanya. Hindi niya alam, wala siyang ka-idea. And I think pag nakita nyo guys, magugustuhan nyo.
let's take this out. Here's the cute bag again. Right here. And read before removing ring jewelry tag. Some more stuff. Okay. And I'm gonna open this in 3, 2, 1. It's in here because I want to put some.
Kasi kung anong magiging reaction niya.
Got it. 3, 2, 1. Look at it. I like it.
She has been asking for this for so long now. Now keep showing what you got.
So I'm going to take it off the back.
Get this. Okay.
3, 2, 1. And that is so cute. So that is so cute. So look at that. It has a little diamond on it. And it also opens quite hard.
Dito siya masashock.
It has a picture. It has the pictures of me and the family. What the?
And look at this. I know she's been asking for a heart necklace that can close and open. But this one is more special because look at that. There's a photo of, on the other side is a photo of the family, and on the other side is a photo of Celine and Ate Paris. Look at that photo lang. Do you like it?
Yeah.
What do you think of it?
I like it.
That's super nice, guys. And that's one thing that I can guarantee with Jeulia. Definitely makes every occasion extra special because they offer personalized jewelry. So just like this one, it's not just the normal heart necklace. And to think that you can personalize it with photos of your loved ones in here, and you can wear it every single day of your life, I think that's just, I've got no words for it. And that's one thing that sets Jeulia apart from the other companies, and I just appreciate it so much. Can we put it on? Yeah. Oh, in fact, Ate Paris is wearing the necklace that they gifted Paris, the second collaboration that we did. Look, this is the mermaid tail, and Ate Paris has worn it to death, and she loves it. Yeah, like she never, well, we take it off sometimes, but most of the time she's wearing it, and the color is still the same. I couldn't see any tarnishing, and it's been months. It's been months now since Ate Paris got this one. So, you know, this just shows the quality that Jeulia offers. So that's the necklace. We'll change it to the heart now. Okay.
I remember a long time ago, my mom made one that I finished, but I lost it.
Yeah. Hopefully this one you don't lose, yeah?
Yeah.
But this is like no use for people kung mawala man to siya kasi may, you know, family photos inside. Yeah, open. Yeah. On the right side is the family, and on the left side is, you know, the mag-sisters. So if you are in the market for, you know, something to gift someone for Mother's Day or for any occasions, I can highly recommend Jeulia Jewelry, guys. They offer variety of products, from rings, from necklace, bracelet, like everything jewelry, they offer it. And once again, personalized jewelry makes it extra special. And of course, hindi mawawala ang ating discount code. So I'm going to put all the information that you need sa screen and also sa description box below. Make sure to check out www.jeulia.com and make yourself or your loved ones happy. And that brings us to the end of this video, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope that all the mothers in the world will have a very good and happy Mother's Day. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this
family.
And we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
be careful. Bye.
bye.